Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasir, and today in this video I'll show you how you can download Instagram Reels from your Windows 11. So first of all, you have to go to any browser and search for Snap Downloader. The link is in the description. You can also check. Once you open the website, you can see different options to download different versions of the Downloader. Depending on your PC version, you have to click on either Windows 64 or Windows 32-bit. I have a Windows 64, so I downloaded the Windows 64-bit version. When the download is complete, you have to install it. After installing it, the interface will look like this one. Now what you have to do, if you have to go to the Instagram reel and you have to copy the reel link from Instagram and you have to paste it on the Snap Downloader. It will automatically search for the video now. It will take some time to search, and once it searches, you have to click on download. When you click on download, it will start downloading the video. As you can see, it's downloading it. Now there are no active downloads. This means that everything has been completed. Download has been completed. Now you can check your completed downloads here, and if you click on one of the videos and click on the folder, it will automatically show the video that has been downloaded. You can open the video and you can see this one. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.